VEVOR sent me this C-129V2. It's a 6-axis gyro, 4-channel remote control helicopter. This even has an altitude control with some sort of a radar system built into the device. And also it's got 1 key takeoff. You just push a button and it'll take off all by itself. And also 1 key landing. So pretty cool helicopter. Let's see what you're going to get in the box. You open it up, it comes encased in a whole plastic molded piece here. And you're also going to get an instruction manual that would be right on top. Lift the plastic off the top here. You're going to see right off the bat, they give you 3 spare batteries, so you can fly the aircraft on 3 different batteries. Gives you more playing time. To charge these, they give you a USB-A to a USB micro charging cable. Just going to plug that in like this. And I'm going to go ahead and plug that in and charge it up. Then on the remote control, you've got on the back here a panel. You're going to want to put 4 batteries, AA's, into the device like that. You're going to get a couple spare tail rotor blades and spare main rotor blades. So if you break one, you'll have a chance to repair it a couple times. Then there's the helicopter itself. It already comes completely assembled. All you have to do is slide the battery in underneath. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll notice it has an up sign here. Just going to face that up relative to the helicopter and then plug that in, and you're immediately going to get this light. It's already turned on. It's ready to go. On the controller device, you've got a knob right here. Just going to flick that to on. And this thing starts to flicker very quickly. Go forward and back, and it starts to sync. And now my remote control is talking to the helicopter. Let's go fly it and see how it does. I'm going to go ahead and fly it here in the kitchen because we've got a pretty open space, but no exterior wind to give us any problems. So the helicopter should fly pretty stable in here. You go outside and you can fly it, but it's going to be chasing the wind. So you're going to have a difficult time filming that. So we'll do it here. You're going to see how steady and well this helicopter flies. So to go ahead and take off, I'm just going to push the takeoff button here. Super steady. Very, very, very well done. And as you can see, this is a real helicopter design with tail rotor. This isn't like a drone with a quadcopter style. It has trim as well, so you can definitely zero out the controls to get it to a perfect hover if you work on trimming out the aircraft. We're flying right now. I'm only about 2 feet from the camera, and that's how accurate I'm able to get it. And yeah, very impressive. Very responsive as well. If I duck left, duck right, forward and back, it's very responsive. And a lot of fun to fly.